Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about life after receiving your 10-year green card. What to expect. Receiving your 10-year green card marks a significant milestone in your immigration journey, symbolizing a long-term commitment to building a life in the United States. This document not only grants you permanent resident status, but also opens up new opportunities and responsibilities. However, many green card holders are often left wondering what comes next. This article will guide you through the various aspects of life after obtaining your 10-year green card, including your rights, responsibilities, and the potential path to citizenship. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Receiving a 10-year green card is a significant milestone for anyone navigating the path to citizenship. For those who marry a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, the journey often begins with obtaining conditional permanent residency, typically reflected in a 2-year green card. This initial step is a crucial part of a process that leads to the issuance of a 10-year green card, and eventually the opportunity to apply for citizenship in this article. We'll explore what you can expect after obtaining your 10-year green card, including your rights, responsibilities, and the steps toward naturalization. The path to a 10-year green card. When you marry a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident and apply for permanent resident status, the length of your marriage at the time of your green card issuance determines whether you receive a 2-year or 10-year green card. Here's a breakdown of these two scenarios. Marriage less than 2 years. If your marriage is less than 2 years old when your green card is issued, you will receive a 2-year conditional green card. This means you are considered a conditional resident and must later apply to remove these conditions. Marriage more than 2 years. If your marriage is more than 2 years old at the time of your green card issuance, you will receive a 10-year green card, granting you permanent residency without the initial conditions. Navigating the 2-year conditional green card. For those who receive a 2-year conditional green card, an important step is removing the conditions on your residency. This involves filing Form I-750, one petition to remove conditions on residence, within the 90-day window before your 2-year green card expires. In the past, processing times for Form I-751 were relatively quick, typically taking 3 to 4 months, however, due to increased processing times. It now often takes up to 2 years for these petitions to be approved. Timing your citizenship application. The prolonged processing time for Form I-751 has led to questions about the best timing for applying for citizenship, particularly since the eligibility to apply for naturalization arises during the pending period of your I-750. Generally, if you're still married to your U.S. citizen spouse, you can apply for citizenship after holding a green card for 3 years. This period includes the time your I-751 is pending. Our current advice is to apply for citizenship as soon as you are eligible, rather than waiting for your I-750. To be approved, this means you can file Form N-400 application for naturalization at the 2-year and 9-month mark from the issuance date of your initial green card. By doing this, you avoid unnecessary delays and begin your naturalization process promptly. Life with a 10-year green card. Once you have successfully obtained your 10-year green card, several new opportunities and responsibilities become available to you as a permanent resident of the United States. Here's what you need to know. Rights and privileges. Stability and permanence. The 10-year green card offers stability and a sense of permanence in the U.S., allowing you to live and work anywhere in the country without restrictions. Travel flexibility. You can travel in and out of the United States more freely. provided you do not remain outside the country for extended periods, which might affect your residency status. Employment opportunities. You can work for any employer in the United States without needing special work permits or visas, opening up a broader range of job opportunities. Social Security and benefits. As a permanent resident, you may qualify for Social Security benefits and other government programs if you meet the eligibility requirements. Sponsorship opportunities. You have the right to sponsor certain family members to join you in the U.S. This includes your spouse, unmarried children under 21, and unmarried children over 21, allowing you to bring your family closer together. Responsibilities and considerations. Maintaining residency. It's crucial to maintain your residency status by living primarily in the U.S. and not spending extended periods abroad. Doing so may require filing taxes as a resident and meeting other residency requirements. Legal compliance. Adhering to U.S. laws and regulations is essential to avoid jeopardizing your residency status. Serious legal infractions can lead to deportation or loss of permanent resident status. Preparing for naturalization. As you plan for U.S. citizenship, ensure you meet all eligibility requirements, including continuous residence, physical presence, and good moral character, gathering necessary documentation, and understanding the naturalization process will aid in a smoother transition to citizenship. The path to U.S. citizenship. Once you've held a green card for the required period, 3 years if married to a U.S. citizen or 5 years otherwise, you can apply for U.S. citizenship. This process involves several steps. 1. Determine eligibility. To apply for naturalization, ensure you meet the following eligibility requirements. Age. You must be at least 18 years old. Residency. You have maintained continuous residence in the U.S. for 3 or 5 years, depending on your circumstances. Physical presence. You have been physically present in the U.S. for at least half of your required residency period. Good moral character. You demonstrate good moral character and comply with U.S. laws. English and civics knowledge. You can read, write, and speak basic English and have knowledge of U.S. history and government. 2. Prepare your application. Once eligible, gather the necessary documents, including your green card, tax returns, and evidence of your marital status if applicable. Complete Form N-400 and submit it to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, along with the required fees. 3. Biometrics appointment. After submitting your application, you will receive a notice for a biometrics appointment, where your fingerprints, photograph, and signature will be taken for background checks. 4. Naturalization interview and test. You will be scheduled for a naturalization interview, where a USCIS officer will review your application and ask questions about your background. You will also take the English and civics tests unless you qualify for an exemption or waiver. 5. Oath of allegiance. If your application is approved, you will be scheduled for a naturalization ceremony where you will take the oath of allegiance, officially becoming a U.S. citizen. Conclusion. Securing a 10-year green card is a significant achievement, marking a new chapter in your life as a permanent resident of the United States. With this status comes increased stability, rights, and responsibilities, as well as the potential to pursue U.S. citizenship. By understanding your options and taking proactive steps toward naturalization, you can fully embrace the opportunities and privileges of life in the United States. Whether you choose to maintain your permanent residency or pursue citizenship, being informed and prepared will ensure a successful journey in your new home. Securing a 10-year green card is an exciting achievement, offering stability and the chance to fully integrate into American society as you navigate your life as a permanent resident. It's essential to understand your rights and responsibilities while planning for the future. Whether you aspire to become a U.S. citizen or maintain your permanent residency, being informed and proactive will help you make the most of your status, embrace this new chapter with confidence, knowing that you have laid the foundation for a promising future in the United States. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about life after receiving your 10-year green card, what to expect. Receiving a 10-year green card is a significant milestone for anyone in the path to US citizenship. This status is typically granted to those who marry a US citizen or are lawful permanent resident and have been married for more than 2 years at the time of green card issuance. However, if the marriage is less than 2 years old, a 2-year conditional green card is issued, instead requiring the filing of Form I-751 to remove conditions before it expires. Due to longer processing times for Form I-751, many green card holders wonder about the best time to apply for citizenship. The recommendation is to apply for naturalization as soon as you are eligible, which is typically at the 2-year and 9-month mark from the date of your initial green card. This avoids delays and allows you to begin the naturalization process promptly. A 10-year green card offers various benefits, including the ability to live and work anywhere in the US without restrictions, travel more freely, and sponsor certain family members to join you. However, it also comes with responsibilities such as maintaining residency status while living primarily in the US, adhering to US laws, and meeting eligibility requirements for naturalization. The path to US citizenship involves several steps, starting with determining eligibility. You must meet requirements related to age, residency, physical presence, moral character, and English and civics knowledge. Once eligible, you can prepare your application and attend biometrics appointment and undergo a naturalization interview and test. If successful, you will take the oath of allegiance at a naturalization ceremony, officially becoming a US citizen. Securing a 10-year green card is an exciting achievement, marking a new chapter in your life. By understanding your options and taking proactive steps towards naturalization, you can fully embrace the opportunities and privileges of life in the US.